A protest rally in Shillong was organized by the Confederation of Meghalaya Social Organization or CoMSO at Mot Pran today. Garo youth, including leaders and members of the Garo Students' Union, Khasi Hill Zone, turned up in large numbers and marched in solidarity with the ACHIK community of Garo Hills. The rally comes amid rising ethnic tensions in parts of Garo Hills following protests by pressure groups opposing the participation of non-tribal candidates in the upcoming elections to the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, which was earlier scheduled to be held on the 10th of April this year. According to CoMSO leaders, unchecked illegal infiltration poses a serious threat to demographic balance of indigenous communities, their land rights and the constitutional safeguards meant to protect tribal populations. Meanwhile, the rally also had a visible impact on commercial activity in parts of Shillong. Shops owned by non-tribal traders in areas such as Police Bazaar, the GS Road and Mot Pran area remained closed throughout the day amid fears of possible unrest. Security was significantly tightened in the Mot Pran Police Bazaar area, with personnel of the East Khasi Hills Police deployed in large numbers since the morning to ensure that the rally passed off peacefully without triggering any disturbance in Shillong and adjoining localities. During the rally, Chairman of CoMSO Roy Kupar Sunrem expressed solidarity with the ACHIK people of the Garo Hills in their opposition to illegal immigrants, stating that the Hinyotrap community stands firmly with them in protecting indigenous land, rights and identity. He warned that illegal infiltration threatens the demographic balance of tribal communities and issued a 3-year ultimatum to the government led by Conrad Sangma to take decisive steps to safeguard the culture and future of the ACHIK people.
I thank them and I thank each and every NGO who is present here that has supported us, and we would also like to thank we would like to thank CoMSO and angama bangi betua mana ya delgabarang badonga tsingasun ongja bebet kaba unigaban tsinga makangchi absan khususan nge tau tsinga meeting machuteba atuda noktangchi tsinga khasneri angen mamang halagula ho khagiza ansing ni antangtangdi mairake ansing sluro namro ko ansing chanchina mangen ho ansing chanchigen awe. Thank you so much.
Thank each one of you who are here, especially our ACHIK brothers and sisters from Khasi Hill Zone. We want to give one message to you. This gathering today, in this momentous occasion, we show our solidarity with the ACHIK people who are in Garo Hills, who are standing against the illegal immigrants and who are still fighting. We want to tell you that the Hinyotrap people are with you in this fight, and we will be with you till you make sure that each and every illegal immigrant is being chased from Garo Hills. Mr. Conrad Sangma, hear also this voice of the Hinyotrap people, that the Khasi Jaintia and the Garos will not allow you to sell Garo Hills to the illegal immigrants. We will not allow Conrad Sangma or his party to sell the land of the ACHIK people to the Miyas. Today we are here as a symbolic gesture, but if you need us to be in Chibinang or to be in Garo Hills, the Hinyotrap people will take up sword, will take up the materials that is needed, and will stand together shoulder to shoulder with the ACHIK people. Mr. Conrad Sangma, don't forget, you are a chief minister because the ACHIK people have supported you. And if they want, they will also make you come down off that chief ministership in the year 2028. You have 3 years to make sure that the rights of the ACHIK people are protected. You have 3 years to make sure that the land of the ACHIK people are protected. And you have 3 years to make sure that the culture of the ACHIK people are protected. And you have 3 years, Mr. Conrad Sangma, to ensure that this Bengal was staying in Garo Hills should be detected and deported to their place of origin. I saw one video that Bengal is asking the police officer, Sir, kya hum Bangladeshi hai? The police officer cannot give an answer, but we can. हाँ भाई, तू Bangladeshi है, so Bangladesh में जाओ. Yes, you are a Bangladeshi, so go back to Bangladesh. The Garo Hills belongs to the ACHIK people. It is theirs today, it will be theirs tomorrow, and it will be theirs forever. No Bengal can claim that the ACHIK land or the Garo Hills belongs to them. Mr. Sofiur Rahman, I've seen your text, I've seen your message claiming that Pulbari, Rajapala, Chibinang belongs to the Bengal. If you dare, come out of hiding. We will show you who is the owner of the ACHIK land. Sofiur Rahman, we have seen your face. We know who you are. You cannot hide forever. The ACHIK people will find you. And if you dare to come to Shillong, the Hinyotre people also will find you. We have seen your statement, intimidating the indigenous people of Meghalaya. Just remember that the ACHIK and the Hinyotre are the owners of Meghalaya, not some Bangladeshi, not some Pakistani. We blame our leaders, we blame the government of the day and the government of the past. Because of them, these Miyas have dared to attack the owner of the land. Mr. Conrad Sangma and all the leaders, it is because of you that this has happened. It is because of you that Dilsang M. Sangma has to lose his life. It is because of you that his mother, his wife, his children lost their blood earner in the family. The blood is in your hand, and you have to decide how to wash that blood from your hand. Mr. Conrad Sangma and all the leaders from Garo Hills, you have been using the ACHIK people for the last 50 years because of your vote bank politics. You have been using them just to win election, just to rule, just to lead the government. It is because of you that the ACHIK people have been made to leave their own house, their own land. It is because of you that this situation has arisen on this day. We feel for our ACHIK brothers and sisters. We feel for the situation that they are in. But my brothers and sisters of Garo Hills, the ACHIK, don't lose hope. Remember that your day also will come. Every dog has his day. We have to remember that. You have the power in your small little finger. Don't forget that. And I know for sure why Conrad Sangma postponed the election of the GHDC today. Because he knows the ACHIK people will not vote for the NPP in the GHDC election. That is why he has to take a decision to fool the ACHIK people once again. At least to calm down the storm. Just to calm you down. But my friends, my ACHIK brothers and sisters, don't forget the blood, the death of Dilsang M. Sangma. Don't forget that your brothers and sisters have been made have been chased out of their house in Chipinang at night. Don't forget that the shops, that the houses have been burned down in Garo Hills. It belongs to your brothers and sisters.